This video tutorial I will explain how to change the default context path and port number using Java system property in Spring Boot application. Here I have defined the class Hello World application, which is Spring Boot application. Inside main method, using set property method of system class, I am setting context path as my context and port number as 9090, and it has a hello world method. To call this method, we have to send request to this path. Here you can see the Spring Boot application. I am running this Spring Boot application. Here you can see Spring Boot application is started in 9090 port, and context path is my context. Here you can see the output, and here you can see port number is 9090 and context path is my context. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.